Dobro večer. This poem is from the Australian desert to your spectacular city. Aeolus is the Greek god of the winds. Aeolus at the Mulga. The desert wind wears a blunt dust. Cantankerous yap lips sheet metal from the deaths of the snub-nosed Silverton buses, all cut like raw opal pressed into humiliating servitude. Windbreaks for camels, punctuation for crows affixed on air. The land is your lungs, but flies have retired as the gale wails. Ants flummoxed by vertebrae of quartz red vein. Beneath this lee my eyes are lost. The wind is a tide. Only bones bask on gasping sand. That kangaroo's spine sits prissy 90 degrees against the perimeters of stone. A huff of emus disperse like seeds as I approach. This is a vacated day. Feet crash on pepper. We have built much, the skipsy jeans that jitter past our hands. Falter. This adamance shuts the mouth. Comes over, spits that coming shine we smelt from rocks. Death by a purpose, still destiny to bend. The nuisance of new sense. Only dry scat is left on the 100-kilometre mat. Concession is a prayer. Excoriation we make brushes. God could be a wind, and heaven is a spot safely away from its hands. Thank you. Marcio.
Will you stay with me? I will ask Marcio to stay with me while I read the translation of Mr. Les Wicks.
Ah, okay.
Thank you. Eol na Mulga.
This song? Okay.
Pustinskiot veter nosi tap pesok, kavgađijsko kvičenje, krevala Marini od umiranjata. Na silvertonskite avtobusi so čprtavi nosovi site, presečeni kako sirov opal, nabijeni vo sramno robstvo, zaštitni pregradi za kamili, pricvrstani na vozduh, pravopis na čavki. Zemljata e tvojite beli drobovi, no muvite se skrile duri vetrot zaviva. Mravki zbuneti od kvarcnji od rbet crveno-venski. Pod zavetrinava očive mi se izgubija. Vetro te plima, samo koski se kapat na zabrevtan pesok. Kengurski od rbet stoji izveštačeno. 90 stepeni, sproti parametrite na kamenot. Vlezi glaboko, ne predpolagaj. Namuseni emua se rasturat, ko seme duri se približuvam. Ovaj napušten den stapala gazat crn piper. Izgradiv me mnogu. Razkokanite geni nervozno se tresat kraj našite race. Sopka. Rešitelnost je zatnuva mucka da doađa, go isplukува na doački od blesok od karpita što go stopivme. Smrt, so cel tivka sudbina da smeni dosadata na novi od razum. Samo suv izmet ostanal na 100-kilometarskata rogozina. Od stapkata je molitva, osuduvanje, pravi me četki. Bog može da je veter, a rajot mestanca, podaleko od njegovite race. Na sigurno.